In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automatic replies in Microsoft Outlook email. If your Outlook account is currently sending out-of-office messages or automatic replies and you want to stop them, this is a very quick process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. To begin, go to your Outlook inbox dashboard. This is the main mail screen where you can see your messages and access your account settings. Make sure you're fully signed in so all of the settings options are available. Once you're on the inbox page, look to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This is the settings icon, and it's where Outlook keeps many of the controls for your mail account. If you don't immediately see the exact option you need, don't worry, because we're going to move through the menu step by step. After opening settings, find the left-hand column and click on account. This section contains the account-related preferences, including the tools used for reply behavior and other email account settings. Taking the time to go into the correct category helps you avoid changing unrelated mail options by mistake. Next, click on automatic replies. This is the area where Outlook lets you manage messages that are sent automatically when someone emails you. If automatic replies are currently active, this is where you'll be able to switch them off. Now, look for the toggle that controls automatic replies and click it to turn the feature off. This step disables the automated response, which means people who email you will no longer receive that pre-written reply. Be sure the toggle clearly shows that the setting is off before moving on. Once you've done that, click Save. This is an important final step because it confirms the change and applies it to your account. If you leave the page without saving, Outlook may keep the previous setting active, so it's always worth double-checking. After saving, your automatic replies should now be turned off. If you want to confirm, you can stay on the same page and make sure the toggle remains off. That gives you peace of mind that the feature is no longer running in the background. And that's it. As you can see, turning off automatic replies in Microsoft Outlook email only takes a moment. Once you know where to look, follow those same steps anytime you want to disable the feature again in the future.